Have you ever used the singleton pattern in Java, thinking it guarantees just one instance? Think again. In this video, we will show you how cloning can silently break singleton and how to fix it. So basically, a singleton class ensures only one instance exists throughout the application. Let's understand this with a diagram. So just assume that this yellow one is showing one application and the singleton object is the object of the singleton class. Throughout the application life cycle, it should not like there should be a multiple instances can be created. So if this is happening, it means it is breaking the singleton design pattern. So let's see what is the effect of cloning in a singleton design pattern. So before that, let's see how we can create a singleton class. So in Java, we can create a singleton class by normal defining a class and keeping its default constructor as a private. Then we can have a method which will basically return the instance of the already created class. So here if you see, there is one public static singleton method I've created, which is get instance, and in this I am returning the singleton helper.instance. So whenever this will get called, you will get a already created singleton class object. So this is like normal singleton class in Java. Now let's see what is the effect of cloning of a singleton class in Java. So to clone this, what we have to do is to implement this class. So it implements clonable and we have to override a method which is called clone. So basically we have to say protected object clone, which throws clonable not supported exception. And in this, suppose if you are saying return super.clone, which is the by default clone method provided by this object. Now, if you are writing this clone method, if you are overriding this clone method as this, in this case, what will happen is, suppose you have a main class here, and here if you can see, I have created object 1 of the singleton class by calling this getInstance method, and then I'm again creating an object 2 by calling the clone method. So by definition, the singleton class should have only one object. So if I'm doing this singleton like object.1.clone, it should return me the same object. That is the definition of the singleton class, right? But this is not going to happen. In this case, the clone is going to create a new object of the singleton class. We can verify this by running this class, and you can see here the result is coming as not equal. It means the object 1 and object 2 is not equal. If we have got the same instance, this object 1 and object 2 should give as a equal. So how we can fix this problem? To fix this problem, in this, instead of using this super.clone, what we have to do is to call this getInstance method only, which will return the already created class. So if this is the case, and now if we run the main class, you can see this is coming as a equal, because in this line we are getting the same object. So if you go clone here, it is calling this getInstance, and getInstance is basically returning the already created object of that singleton. So this is the way we can fix it. We have to be very careful while creating a singleton class and overriding this clone method. We should not do this return super.clone. Instead of that, we should do this getInstance. I hope I have made it clear how the cloning can disrupt your singleton class and how to fix it. In the next video, we will see how the serialization can affect singleton class in Java. For time being, that's all. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Till then, have a great day and goodbye.